Hey, it's Febs. Today we are back with another new video. So today we are doing another product review, or let's say first impression. It is another Maybelline tattoo brow product. This is a product that we will be trying out today. Woohoo! And I only found this yesterday. I'm gonna put the price right here. Maybelline Tattoo Brow Lasting Color Pomade. It claims to be a waterproof lasting color, and it is buildable pigmented formula, glides on smoothly, waterproof lasting finish. Yes, I bought this from Boots Pharmacy and I only saw one color, which was a 03 medium brown. I'm pretty sure there's more colors available. I know for a fact that there's a taupe and dark brown. When I went up to pay for this, the sales lady said that this is very good, and she said this is a dupe for Anastasia's brow pomade. I've only swatched that expensive brow pomade once and I don't even remember what it was like. So I don't know how to compare them because I've never used Anastasia, so I'm not familiar with that brand, but I know that it is an expensive product. So if that is a dupe for this brow pomade, then that would be great because this is cheaper than the Anastasia brand. So yeah, let's try this out. I've been talking a lot and a lot of people have been complaining that I talk too much in my videos. Okay, so let's open this. As usual, they have pictures and instructions on how you can do your eyebrows. Ooh. So this product came with a brow duo brush, which is this one. You have a brow brush here and also a spoolie at the end, and I love duo brow brushes. It's just so handy and it's like a travel size. So that is the brow product. This is the packaging of it. It's actually glass and it feels a little heavy, and let's open it. Ooh, that looks like Nutella chocolate. I just want to dip my finger in there. That looks so delicious. Ooh. Let me show you. Oh, I love the brush. Look at that. I really like the brush. I think my blank canvas brush is so much better, but for the price of this product, this is good enough, and plus it has a spoolie. The color is darker than I thought. I thought it was going to be like chocolatey brown. It does have a tint of gray in it. Definitely a creamy product. So let's start with this brow right here. It claims that it glides on smoothly, and hopefully it does. Ooh, it is definitely easy to apply. Oh, I made a mistake there. Oh my god. And it's hard to remove. So I don't have a makeup wipe whatsoever. I'm just gonna try and remove that with tissue that I wet with my saliva. So far so good. And then I'm gonna go and fill in my brows. Oh my gosh guys, I think this is so much more easier to use than my NYX brow gel. I say that because this is so much more creamier and doesn't set as fast as NYX brow gel. So that's cute. I just love it. Gonna try to like blend this. I have like, it's like so messy though, getting everywhere. Oh, it's a little bit dry now. I can see that there's a little bit of gap there. I feel like it's making it worse. Ooh, that's so nice. Okay, so I have done one of the eyebrows. Okay, what do you think? I really like it because it's so much more easier for me to blend, and it doesn't set as fast as my NYX brow gel. It's just so creamy and smooth, and the color is totally buildable. I won't be able to like test if it's waterproof or not. At the moment, I can't do that because I'm not going swimming anywhere. Right, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my eyebrows now. So there's nothing really too impressive about this because I feel like this is nearly similar to my NYX brow gel. Oh my god, I love this brow product. It's good at filling up the gaps on my eyebrows, which is really good, and I like that. I'm no good at blending brows. Excuse me if I'm not an expert when it comes to brows. So that's it. I'm done and over with this brows now. I don't feel like they're even, but then again, as some of you would say, brows are sisters, not twins. Doesn't look good here, but I can't blend it anymore because it has set. It took a while to set. Yeah, so this one is not set yet. This one is not completely set either because there's a little bit of product on my fingers as well. So I forgot to talk about the brush. The brush was so easy to use. It was like another dupe for blank canvas. I love duo brushes because the brush is amazing. It helps you create that really precise line, unless you're like me who can't really draw lines straight. I just like it. If you want to purchase Anastasia's pomade, this is a cheaper version of it. Oh, so I'm rubbing off the brow product that I did on the back of my hand. And this is a dry tissue, by the way, and I can see that it is so easily removed. And that has set already. So I remember my NYX brow gel, if I rub it off with dry tissue, it would not budge. It would not come off. But this came off so easily, so it might not be as waterproof as my NYX brow gel. So that kind of disappointed me because if this isn't as strong as my NYX brow gel, then that means if I go swimming, it's gonna come off. That is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and I hope to see you in my next video. Brow Squad.